Hi guys, I have recently hit 30,000 subscribers on my YouTube channel, and so it is time to celebrate. I couldn't have reached this milestone without you, so thank you so much. I really appreciate all of your love, support, and kindness. I truly am grateful for every single subscriber. So, for 30K subscribers, I am giving away two $50 Amazon gift cards. It's just a small way for me to give back to you guys and thank you all for hitting that subscribe button. I have to do this giveaway in a stealth mode because I don't want any bots or scammers to find this giveaway and enter it. Therefore, the word giveaway is not in the title of this video. I want to make sure that the prize only goes to a true subscriber of mine. So, if you opened up this video and are now watching it, then you have a really good chance of winning a $50 Amazon gift card, since I really don't get many views on my videos, even with 30,000 subscribers. I'll give you more details about the giveaway in just a moment. Today, my kids and I are enjoying our day at one of the most beautiful beaches in Orange County. We are at Corona del Mar. It is quite refreshing to finally be able to spend some time outdoors since my family has voluntarily quarantined ourselves inside our home since last March. We have only left our house for the essentials. We just want to keep ourselves as well as others around us safe. I have chosen to visit the beach today because it's a non-student day for my kids, which means that they get a day off of school. I figured that with it being a weekday, there wouldn't be much people here and we'd be safe to venture out. We're going to head over to the tide pool area, and luckily for us, there was barely anyone over there. As I talk about the giveaway, I thought that you might enjoy some footage of the beach. And after the beach, we're going to stop by my favorite park, which has some really cool outdoor art sculptures. I love art of all kinds, so I thought that you might enjoy some footage of the park as well. Okay, let's talk about the rules for the giveaway. Number 1, you must be subscribed to my channel. Number 2, you must be over the age of 18. Number 3, you must also reside within the United States. And I apologize to any of my subscribers that live outside of the US. I feel so bad, but it just makes things a little bit too complicated. I am so sorry. Number 4, you're only allowed one entry or comment per person. Number 5, all entries must be received by 9 p.m. Pacific Standard Time on Sunday, February 28, 2021. Number 6, 2 random winners will be chosen, and each will receive a $50 Amazon e-gift card. Number 7, the winners will be announced on my Facebook page at Emily P. YouTube channel on Wednesday, March 3rd, 2021 at 1 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Number 8, if the winners do not claim their prize within 5 days, it will be forfeited. Number 9, if the winner of the prize provides an incorrect email address, the e-gift card will not be replaced. Number 10, this giveaway is not in any way associated with YouTube. Okay, let's go over how you can enter this giveaway. There are 4 things that you will need to do. Number 1, subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. Number 2, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Number 3, type the words "winner winner chicken dinner" in the comment section below so that I know that you want to enter this giveaway. Number 4, also let me know what recipe you'd like to see me make in my future videos. That's it. It's fairly simple to enter. The rules and eligibility requirements will be posted in the description box below and also on my Facebook post. Don't forget to mark your calendar for Wednesday, March 3rd and head on over to my Facebook page. The winners will be announced over there at 1 p.m. on that day. Again, thank you guys so much. I appreciate you, and I truly believe that I have the best subscribers. I look forward to making more videos for you guys. Good luck, everyone. Stay safe out there. I hope y'all have an awesome 2021. And until my next video, I'll see you later, alligator. Bye.